I'm Evelyn Wachter, and I help you overcome the difficulties you're struggling with. And I have quite colorful background. Over 20 years I have been selling, buying, consulting. And most of the time I have been learning and studying. But the most important, what I consider, is my own experience. How to solve crisis, anxiety, panic attacks, how to deal with a burnout. So today I trust the most my own personal experience. If I wouldn't experience all that, I wouldn't do that job, because I wouldn't know how to help people.